My school semester is almost driving to the end and semester results are out and I had all A in my courses. I was so excited thinking I had nailed it,
Yes!
only for me to ask my friend Peter how he had performed in the exams and he said he had all A plus. Damn, and I am like, how is that possible? His response was, how do you take down your lecture notes? Because the way you take down notes determine how much you can understand it, and they can also impact your score. Today, we are going to look at how to take down lecture notes quickly. Taking notes is an integral part of our learning process, and it is important for us to choose a method that will make understanding of the material easy for us. This is Daddy Cliff bringing you the best tips and tools on how to get the best education. Generally, there are 5 recognized note-taking methods. The first is the Cornell Method. This has been around for decades and was created at Cornell University in the United States. It is done with 2 columns and a 4 or 5 page section comprising of keywords, questions, recites, reflex, and summary. It also doubles as a very effective study method. It is ideal for all types of lectures or even meetings. Advantages: it is a quicker way to take, review, and organize your notes. It summarizes all the information in a systematic manner. It makes learning effective as it enables you to absorb information in a shorter time. It helps to extract the main idea. It reduces reviewing time. Disadvantages: pages must be prepared before a lecture. It needs some time for reviewing and summarizing the key concepts. The second is the outline method. It is a linear method and the one many people naturally lean towards. Usually organized with headings like the title and bullet points and written straight down the page. However, it can be more useful as a study technique than when one is first being introduced to new information. This method can be applied in most situations but works best if the lecture or class follows a clear structure. Advantages: key points in the lecture can be highlighted in a logical way. It is easy to use and allows the student to focus. It reduces reviewing and editing time. It gives a clean structure to your notes. Disadvantages: it is not suitable for formulas and charts subjects like chemistry and maths. The third is the mapping method. This method is like a tree with branches or a cloud with arms. It begins with one idea in the middle, the main topic, and then has branches, major points, reaching out with smaller branches, sub-points underneath. It helps to establish relationships between topics. It works best when the lecture content is heavy and you need to organize it in a structured and easy format. It can also be used when you have no idea about the content of the lecture to be presented. Advantages: it is visually appealing, used for noting down detailed information in a concise form, allows easy editing of notes. Disadvantages: while mapping your notes, you can run out of space in a single page. Can be confusing if the information is wrongly placed during notes taking. The fourth is the chart method. This is an important method if you know what the topics are before you start, and there are distinct categories of information. You have to divide your page into several columns and starts with the main points listed at the top of each column with sub-points underneath. Advantages: facts are organized and easy to review. It highlights key pieces of information for each topic. Disadvantages: unsuitable for most subjects, and it is time consuming. The fifth method is the boxing method. The boxing method requires you taking down notes into boxes just as the name implies. Each page of your notes is filled with several boxes. Inside the boxes are interrelated ideas. The boxes can be divided by topics or subtopics as you choose. The advantage of this note-taking method is that it's also simple and visually very appealing. Advantages: it allows you to compartmentalize ideas in an organized and very effective manner. You can review and focus on one box thoroughly, first before you move on to another. Disadvantages: just like the charting method, this note-taking method is not suitable to be used during lectures as it requires more time to organize. Hello guys, that's the end. Please make sure you like the video and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.